Hey everybody, it's April 2024. I'm saying goodbye to one of my old friends right here. I picked this baby up a couple years ago, searched high and low for it. It's a log from France. Well, it's made in China, but it's a French company, like everything. Everything's made in China. Just a tune before I let it go. This is for my Bruce Springsteen fans that like Bruce. I like a lot of his material, and this is one I like in particular. Hey little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone? I got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Can he do to you the things I don't do? Oh, I can take you higher. Times like tongue took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch belly through the middle of my skull. At night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and the freight train running through the middle of my head. Oh, you cool my desire.